So today I'm going to show you how you can get 15% off of any Samco Sport silicone hose kit and matching clamp kit over at racebikebitsusa.com. So head over to racebikebitsusa.com and search for the hose kit that you want. Today I'm going to be using the part number KTM130, and that is for the KTM450 SXF 2023 model. Find the part that you want and then scroll down to where you can select your color. Today I'm going to choose the classic KTM orange. Then you need to add that to your cart. You also get 15% off of the matching stainless steel hose clamp kit, so add that to your cart as well. And then up in the top right hand corner you'll find your basket. Here are your items. Click on view cart. This will take you to the cart menu here, and then you need to scroll down and find use coupon code. Type in BFCM15, that's Black Friday, Cyber Monday 15, and then click apply coupon. Then this will take off 15% off of your total order this Black Friday and Cyber Monday over at racebikebitsusa.com.